Hello everyone, I'm back. So my exams are done and now I'm going to upload more frequently on YouTube. So let's get straight to the point of this video. In this video, I'm going to show you the must-have applications of 2021. Now some of these you may already know, but some of these are also new to various people. So let's get straight to the video. My name is Samyan Sawant. Welcome to the channel. Alright, so before I start the video, I'd like to mention two things. First thing, this video is not sponsored by any of these applications. Second thing is that all of these applications I've tried myself and all of these are free of cost. You can download them from Play Store. All the links are in the description. So let's get started. Alright, now since the pandemic has hit us, we all are looking out for news and updates so that we can act on all of that stuff. So I've got an application for you. The name of the application is InShorts. Now this application will show you news in 60 simple words. It also has offline mode, it also has dark mode, and it will show you the photos and videos related to the news. So this is the application for the news category. Now as I was talking about the pandemic took toll on all of our health. So I've got two different applications which will help you get your health back on track. The first application is Step Set Go. This is a reward based application, which basically means that the more you walk, the more you earn points, and the more points you earn, you can redeem various kinds of accessories like mobile phones, headphones, and all that other stuff. So it's a great motivating app which encourages you to walk as much as you can. The second application is Healthify Me. So this is basically a diet planning application for all of your health needs. Now it also has all of the Indian foods like chapati and all of the spices, all of that. You can manage it, make a chart and follow it. Now let's talk about communication and chatting and all of that stuff. Now for this category, I'm going to suggest you an app which is highly underrated, which is Discord. A very powerful application. You can chat with your friends, like with international friends and all of that stuff. You can upload files, you can voice chat while gaming and all of that other kinds of stuff. So Discord is a great application, trust me, give it a try. And the second application which I'll suggest you is Signal. Now as we all know, Signal has attracted a huge user base in the past few days, which is probably why you should download this application, as there is a huge chance that your friends and relatives might be on that application. Now since the quarantine has ended at most of the places, various people have loads of work to do. I've got an application which will help you plan out your day and create a perfect schedule to complete all of these tasks. Now the name of the application is Google Keep. Here you can create a particular schedule, you can create to-do lists, you can set reminders, you can add labels, and it also has a dark mode. So this application is great for planning out your day. Now various people use their mobile phones to take various photographs, upload them on Instagram, take videos, upload them on YouTube, which also includes me. So for that I'm going to suggest you an application. The name of the application is Open Camera. This is a very powerful application which you can use to capture photos as well as videos. It has various features like adjusting the white balance, locking the white balance, you can set the frame rate and various other kinds of stuff which is compatible with your mobile phone. You can adjust it with this application. In fact, I am using this application to record this video right now. My camera is somewhere between 13 to 16 megapixels, so you can take a little guess about the quality of the application by watching this video. Now once everyone captures those beautiful images on their mobile phones, what everyone does before uploading them online is edit those images. So I've got two applications which you can use to edit all of your images. First application is PixArt. Now PixArt is an application where you can edit all of your photos, you can draw on your photos, you can add filters, you can create collages and all of various other powerful stuff. And the second application is Adobe Lightroom. Now this is also a very powerful application, and compared to PixArt, it has a very smooth user interface, so it is totally up to you which application you want to use. Now this next category is probably one of the most used category in all of our mobile phones, which is a music player. So in this category I've got two applications which you probably know, but I'm still putting it out there. First is Spotify. Now Spotify has a huge collection of songs. It has customized playlists and various other stuff which you can share with your friends. So this is the first application. And second application is Amazon Prime Music. The benefit is that here, if you have a Prime account, you don't have any kinds of ads. Now for Spotify, you'll have to pay, just like you have to pay for Amazon Prime, so that you don't have any ads. So if you're a Prime user, I definitely suggest this application because I've seen that most of the Prime users don't have this application, they still prefer using Spotify, but I'll recommend Amazon Prime. Now, as we are talking about paying, we should talk about online payment applications. Personally, I only use one application, which is Google Pay. Now, if you don't use this application, you're missing out because it's a great application. You can recharge your mobile phones, you can pay all your bills, it has great offers and cashbacks. It also has a separate application for business, and yeah, it's Google Pay, it's great. So definitely use this application. This next application which I'm going to suggest has helped me a lot personally, and it's of the category of shopping, and the name is Big Basket. It's a great application if you want to buy all kinds of vegetables, and it also has various other stuff. You can choose any particular slot of timing and day which you want, and it has free delivery, online payments, and various other interesting stuff. So I'll suggest this application for the category of shopping. Now, most of us create various projects related to our work, related to our colleges, schools, and all of that stuff. Now we need to transfer all of this data. Previously we used to have ShareIt, but it's banned for now in India. So I've got a great application for data transfer for you, and the name of the application is Send Anywhere. This is definitely one of the most powerful data transfer applications by which you can transfer huge amount of data anywhere in the world just by entering the 6-digit code which the sender tells you to enter. And it also has a very satisfying and simple UI which is not at all hard to use. So I'll definitely recommend you this application if you want to transfer data from one end to another. Now, since the pandemic has started, all of us students and teachers have to follow the norms of online learning. So for that, I have got 3 applications for students as well as teachers. All of the students have to scan their assignments and upload them as PDFs, right? So first of all, I have got a scanner. The name of the scanner is Kagaz. Now this application is made in India. It is a very high quality application. You can scan off all of your PDFs in batch modes, upload them as PDFs, and it also doesn't have any kind of watermark. So it's a great scanner for not only students, for teachers or anyone who wants to use this application. Now once the PDF is created, we still have a lot of work to do, as we sometimes have to compress the PDF, sometimes we have to merge various PDFs and do various stuff on the PDFs, right? So I've got an application, and the name of the application is I Love PDF. Now this application is probably the best application to do stuff with your PDF, like compress it, share it, and all of that other kinds of stuff. So I'll definitely recommend you these 2 applications. The third application which I've got is Google Classrooms. Now most of you might already know this application, but if you don't use it, especially the teachers, then you should definitely use it, because through this application you can manage a whole lot of number of students. Now through this application you can send notes to various number of students, you can assign tasks to them, you can check whether all of them have submitted or not, and it also has various other powerful features. So you should definitely use this application if you are like a teacher or managing various amounts of students. Now as we were talking about online learning, I've got an application which is free on Play Store, but you have to pay for the courses, but it's definitely worth it. Now the name of the application is Udemy. You must have seen the ads of this application almost everywhere, like YouTube and all of that stuff, but I'll definitely recommend you this application because I myself am an user of this application. Now this application has courses as low as the price of $360 to $460 when it's festive season and all of that stuff. It has lots of professional teachers which teach you the subjects in a particular and a specified manner which is very easy to understand. Also, when you buy these courses, they are with you for your lifetime. So it's not for the particular period of time. You get all the courses for a lifetime, and all of these courses are available on all kinds of devices like mobiles, tabs, laptops, anywhere. You can watch them anywhere. So yeah, that's another application for online learning. Now this last application which I'm going to recommend you is based on wallpapers. So the name of the application is Wallcraft. Now the wallpapers are segregated into categories so that you can select from any category you want, and all of the wallpapers are in the maximum resolution based on your mobile phones. So that's it for today's video. Now if you find this video informative, like it, share it as much as you can with your friends and family so that all of them can use these awesome applications. Also consider subscribing to the channel as I post such tech related content, coding, gaming, vlogs, and all other kinds of stuff. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post the video. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.